I've been exploring the 7-minute workout app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. 7 is a short, guided workout app built around quick body weight routines you can do at home without equipment, aimed at busy people who want straightforward, high-intensity interval training style exercise in just a few minutes a day. It suits beginners through to more regular exercisers, thanks to adjustable goals and fitness levels. The core experience is its 7-minute workouts, which string together simple exercises with clear timers and voice-style coaching, making it easy to squeeze a session into a work break or morning routine. The app offers structured plans, daily workout challenges, playful instructors, and the option to create your own routines, so it can feel more like a program than a random set of exercises. There is also a paid 7 Club subscription that unlocks more workouts, over 200 exercises, and personalized plans for faster progress. However, it's not without flaws. Many advanced features sit behind the subscription, so free users may feel limited over time, and long-term costs could matter if you just want something basic. Some reviewers praise the modifications and flexibility, but still wish for extra options like better friend linking and more specific exercise alternatives, which hints that the app is still evolving rather than perfect. On the plus side, ratings are very strong overall, with a high average score and a large number of reviews, suggesting most users are satisfied with its reliability and effectiveness. Overall, if you value short, no-equipment workouts and like the idea of game-like goals and coaching, 7 is a solid choice as a daily fitness nudge. If you prefer long, highly customized training plans or dislike subscriptions, you might want to weigh the paid features carefully before committing. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.